Welcome back, everybody. We got a major reversal out there in the works. We have Uncle JP just crying for a Christmas card. He must have watched the video. He must have been in the Discord. We were talking about not sending a Christmas card this year to JP, Jerome Powell down there at the Fed. If he couldn't deliver, he did deliver. What a difference a few weeks, we're talking what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, makes in terms of his terminology of what he was talking about with rates. This is as close as it's going to get for him saying, hey, yeah, we're going to cut next time. Normally we're hearing all the, we're going to wait and let the information come in. But man, he was talking dovish, and we need to talk about this because it literally does change everything. And now a lot of people want to know what to do. And I know, oh, Mo, but you de-risked all the way down, and then Jerome Powell came in and gave you a parachute when you jumped out of the plane. That's right. But today's a good day, folks. High five, self high five. The portfolios are up. I'm looking at over 5 digits gain today. It's a good day. And that's what I look for. And so when I'm watching these charts, no emotion, just playing the cards I'm given, and I'm going to continue to do that. I am loving today when you go ahead and see these kind of green days. I'm happy for everybody out there who is making money, and that's what it's about. And so we got a lot to talk about today. Man, I didn't plan on doing a video this early, but here we are. Yeah, let's go ahead and fix the screen, get this into it. If you haven't done it, get over to the membership today. We are loving life today. Code LEARN will save you 50% off that first month. Get it down to 25 bucks. Should be automatic at checkout, but you get into the Discord then, and you'll see what we're talking about. And then take advantage of the Moo opportunity they have. Deposit 100, and look at this, 20, and that's 20% there. That is awesome. If you do more, of course, they do more, but it's up to you what you want to do there. That is the second link below. And of course, the third link is the live course. Let's update this, see what we got left here. Boom, boom, boom. 2 left, 7 left, 8 and 3. So if you guys want to join, please join. Code SAVE here. Code SAVE if you'd like to save 40% off the live course this weekend. I'll be doing that on Sunday. We got Dr. Stocks, Wills, and the bundle with all 3. All right. Yeah, the webinar is still available down there too. So all of them underneath here. 4th one is the webinar. That is my hour-long how you can learn the framework for successful technical trading. But today, when you look at the technicals, let's first get into the news because I know everybody wants to know. Chair Powell, full policy. Powell suggests rate cuts are coming not because Trump demanded them. So the data out there changed, obviously. The 0.9% inflation, massive inflation, but then the downgrade of jobs. I told you the one thing to watch would be the jobs. That's the one thing they don't want to lose. Inflation, people pay a little bit more, or you have all the people in the country start losing their job. Which one is going to be more prone for them to react? Is the jobs. And so when the jobs came out really bad, that tells you everything you need to know. They'd rather have higher inflation than worry about the jobs going away. And that is, in my opinion, I think they're doing it the right way. They call it a dual mandate, but the real thing is you want to have everybody working. And I think they're getting a little bit nervous that may not happen. So what happens there? Let's go ahead and take a look. Today, this went up $2,000 for me. This is the base one. Remember, the high was 33.4, so this is up now 11 grand since we got in. Then I have Coinbase. And you may say, Mo, it says it's down 800. Watch this. I didn't update it yet. Let's see how much it goes up. From 225. Oh, I got rid of that. It's still up 5,000 today. So it went up about $5,000. And here is the big change I did. I'm taking the money out of Coinbase and moving it into the stock market. So I am buying ETFs from here on out. I do have some cash in here, obviously, where I got my XRP. And I will be doing the moves I do as I go forward with some of the money in this one, Kraken, and over Gemini and Moo. So I have money in there for some of the cryptos that until XRP gets that sweet spot ETF, I'll be moving money around and doing some of that. But I got to be blunt. I am looking to do the stocks. I don't want to be staking after what happened this whole cycle that we're going through when I could have sold up there at 4,700 and then bought back in at the bottom, all that good stuff. But it did not happen, of course, because I was staked and you can't get things out and it takes freaking 2 weeks to do anything. But that's a whole different video. But right now, a good day, up 5,000 there. Then we go over, we'll look at this, another 8,500. So you're looking between all of these about $15,000. I'm not going to be mad when I see a $15,000 up day. It is what it is, and I would do it again with the charts. We were talking with a bunch of us, and we discussed this. And I said, you play the charts, you play what you're given, you come down, you hit and this is on XRP, you hit the 50, you come back up, you are below the 50, you are now confirmed below that candle, which normally, and I mean more times than not, will lead to more downward pressure. We did not get it because we had Jackson Hole, we had Jerome Powell, and the good news, it's higher, and I'm glad it's higher. I want everybody out there to make as much money as we can. Now, what I'm watching for is a confirmation above the 13. Once we get it back above there, because we are above the 50, I'm looking at this 13. If we can confirm above the 13, I do believe we're going all the way back up, and that would be a beautiful thing. So for everybody saying, Mo, what do you think about this? One, yeah, it's never a good pill to swallow when you have something like this happen. You play the charts, you see it, you have your lines, you have the 50, the retesting exactly as predicted, a push down to a new low or low finish candle as predicted. And then Jackson Hole comes out and, hey, Jerome Powell saves the day. And he really does save the day. So that's good news. And I'd rather be up 15K than down 15K because I remember working for $3 an hour. I just want to put that in your mind. I remember working for a little over $3 an hour. We're looking at 5,000 hours made today. And so I will take this every day of the week. Now, with that being said, Mo, what's it going to take for you to jump back in? I am looking for a confirmation above this right here. It's good news. We know that the Fed's going to lower those rates now in September. Are we going to get the 3 rate cuts? There's so many things. We're going to wait and see. But the good news is this has pushed back above the 50. What I need is a confirmation above this 13, the EMA 13. If we get that above the 13, I think it's all but certain we go way back up here to 332. But remember what I told you, to really knock this out of the park, we need to see a confirmation or just a finishing candle above 332. So 333 is what I've been telling you. Once we get 333, I do believe we're going to an all-time high, and that is what I'm striving for. So even though I might miss some of this, because I obviously still have 6 figures in crypto, I can take advantage of any reversals and the money flowing in, because there is billions and billions and billions that will be flowing in and out of crypto as this works. So I'm going to give this a day. I want to see how this reacts over this weekend, and of course, see what goes down. Are we going to have additional gains as we go? If we do, which I think we will, I'll be blunt, I think we will now. This looks like a nice setup, and if we can get a confirmation above that 13, I think we're good. I think we're good, and I can load back in. I'll do a little risky plays to try to take advantage of what the Fed just said and what they should be doing. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. I would do it again based on what we saw here. You're selling up here at roughly 332. It got all the way down to where'd we get to? Holy cow. 270 something. So I know my play was right. I know my charts were right. If the Fed did not save the day, this thing, and it got down to the lines I was telling you to. So there you go. Once again, the charts were absolute fire. This is what we call an event that you cannot predict in terms of how it's going to come out. Hey, well, it could say yes, it could say no. We don't know. Well, that's what we got. Anyway, so let's take a look at Ethereum. It'll be very much similar, but Ethereum should be rocking a lot more. Yeah, because that was holding up. So we came down, hit the support, up we go. And what I'd be looking for there, we're already above the 13 and 5. So the big play, and I told you right here, these are the ones I'm looking for to break this right here. I'm all in. 47.57. We get above there, I think we are running like a champ. What I'm waiting for is the staking with the BlackRock application in October. We'll see how this plays out. And then, of course, Bitcoin, which I don't know if I'm getting back in Bitcoin. I'm probably going to stick to XRP and over there with the Ethereum. for now. I might do one Bitcoin. I'm also looking, I know some people like to hold the crypto. I might be looking into some of the ETFs that we have available. I know some of them are futures based and stuff like that for some of the altcoins, XRP, other ones as well. Out there looking at some of those other opportunities that I can do just because I'm looking for the liquidity. I'm not worried about trading on Saturday and Sunday when it comes to every crypto. I do like what I'm seeing. This is good. What we're looking for is a confirmation now for Bitcoin. So we broke a back above the 50, broke a back above the 5 and 13. You're looking for one confirmation here tomorrow, and it is golden. Folks, this is wild. This is a crazy day. Everything changed today. I've been out running around doing all these things. I just get back to the office. So, yeah, here we go. Right there. Membership. Boom. Get in there. It is a good day. Code LEARN will save you 50% off at checkout. Second one down below, Moomoo. Take advantage of Moomoo. They got these great opportunities right here. You got to use my link, though. You don't use my link, you don't get it. What do we got here? We got the over here for the live session, third link down below. Take advantage of this code SAVE. Code SAVE. I got it all written down. But that's where you learn these technicals. That's where you learn the candles and read the story. So you can understand how to do this yourself. And then, of course, the fourth link down below is over to the webinar. We got that all signed up. We got that ready to go for you. You get a chance to sign up for the one you would like to do. And we got the spots open. It's an hour long. This thing is phenomenal. And you will learn the 4-step framework for successful technical analysis. I teach it to you. All right, I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord.